In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube trending option not showing on your phone. Here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this, and also I will give you an alternative way of how you can actually access to the YouTube trending videos just by using your phone. It's super easy, but before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so the YouTube trending option is not available on the YouTube right now. So here is the alternative way of how you can actually access to that. First thing first, you just need to go ahead and open up any browser from your phone. So I'm going to open up the Chrome browser and then simply go and tap on the search bar. And you just need to search with this one, youtube.com/feed/trending. And once you have searched with this one, let's go ahead and search with this. And once you do that, you'll get to see all the trending on YouTube. And this is how we actually can access to the trendings videos on YouTube. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.